In this video, I will show you how to fix a black screen on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's a few reasons why you might be getting a black screen. Maybe you're trying to play a game and you're getting a black screen, or you're trying to watch a video and you're getting a black screen. But whatever the reason, I'm going to go through a few fixes with you. Now, the first fix, what you want to do from your Windows desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and on your pinned apps you should see settings. Give that a click to open up your settings. If you don't see it here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto gaming. Then what you want to do is click onto game mode, and in here you want to make sure that the game mode switch is turned on. If it's not turned on, then of course turn it on. Alternatively, if you do have it already switched on, what you can do is turn this off to disable game mode and see if that fixes the problem. Now, also from here, another thing you can do to try and fix the black screen is if you come to the menu on the left hand side, come down to the bottom and click onto Windows Updates, and you want to see if there's any available updates. So it could be that you've got an out of date graphics driver or something like that which is causing this problem to occur. But by enabling any Windows updates and downloading and installing them, of course that's going to install the most up-to-date drivers and potentially fix any problems with the black screen. For myself, you can see I have got some updates available, so I can click restart now and that's going to download and install those updates. But for yourself, if you don't see anything, you should see a blue button which says check for updates. Give that a click and see if there's any available updates. Also from here, if you come down and click onto advanced options just down here, and then under additional options you want to click onto optional updates and just check for any additional driver updates and things like that from here, and again select and then click to download and install. Now, if that didn't work for you, another thing you can try is from your desktop, if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type CMD, and underneath best match you should see command prompt come up. Right click onto command prompt and run this as administrator. Now what you want to do in the command prompt is enter the following command, which is sfc /scan now, all one word, hit enter. What it's going to do is basically scan your PC and see if there's any damaged or corrupted files, which again could cause problems and give you a black screen when you're trying to do things like play games or watch videos. Now for myself, I've already got one running, so I need to restart my PC, but for yourself you're going to see a percentage, so it'll go like 1%, 2%, and you just want to wait for it to get to 100%. It might take a few minutes to go through and do it, but once you've done that you can restart your PC and see if that fixes the problem. Now if that didn't work for you, I've got one final fix you can try, which is on your keyboard. If you hold down the following keys, which is the Windows logo key, Control, Shift, and then press B, what that's going to do is basically refresh your graphics drivers. It's actually a keyboard shortcut to refresh your graphics drivers, and again that could potentially fix the problem with your black screen. So hopefully one of those fixes helped you guys out, and if this video did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.